Okay, so we are going to replace the belt for this Whirlpool dryer. It's a standard Whirlpool dryer. And we order the belt with the maintenance kit from Sears. It was $28. If they try to charge you $53, tell them no. $28 for the belt, a pulley, and a few little parts that came with it. And
two wheel rollers.
Two wheel rollers and the instruction manual. Okay. So the first thing we have to do is unplug the dryer. The plug is behind the dryer somewhere. Okay, I almost got it. Okay, that's what it looks like. Unplug it. Okay, now we have to lift up your lint filter lid and unscrew these two screws right here with a Phillips head screwdriver. Then what you want to do is take this off right here. Pop it out.
And the flat screwdriver.
Now we're going to lift up the lid of the dryer. There is the drum. Let's see if it pulls off. The belt is not broken.
Oh, damn, really?
It's not the belt.
So tell us what happens.
Okay, so we opened up the dryer and we saw that the belt is not broken, but that it is frayed. So we pushed on the drum and it resumed spinning, but it still smells and we see that the belt is frayed and it has probably come off a pulley. So we are going to go ahead and replace the belt anyway and put it on the right way with the groove facing down, because right now it's on with the groove facing up, which is not the correct way for the belt to be on. And might be why it came off the pulley. Okay, so...
Alright, what's next?
The hinge springs from cabinet base. Okay, that's...
The wrong wiring we had to disconnect. Right there.
So we're gonna...
Just go off the side, watch, I'll show you. It'll be short turns, but...
So we gotta take this off somehow. We need to, I think we need to oh, look at this. We have to unhinge that. See right there? So this right here is a support brace, and we want to remove that. It does not tell me how to remove it. Okay, so that's what those two parts are that came with it. Be careful. There's two really small parts up here that I need you to be really careful of. Because we're gonna need those. Let me show you what they are, just so you know. This is one.
Okay.
And the other is a small circular. And okay, here we go. Two more. There should be one more of those. Alright, so I have to remove that support brace. I don't have a...
Okay, so it just pulls straight off.
Yeah.
Just pry it off, and then we'll put the new wheel off.
Alright, let's install the other roller.
Okay, now we're going to install the other roller. All it is that's holding it on is a little plastic triangular washer. So pop that off, pull the roller off, and put the new one back on. Washer's off.
Need the new roller.
That's it. Alright, so the pulley is going to go in the two slots that are aligned with the motor, so it just sits down there. And when you put in the drum with the belt around it, the grooves have to go towards the drum. You just loop this in and wrap it around. So technically it should be going like that. And that's how it's going to sit. So for now, we'll just slide the belt around the drum, put the drum in there, and then finagle the belt down by the pulley. And that should be it. Then we'll put the front cover back on.
Okay. Alright.
And then hold the drum up. See, now it's going to get...
Alright. I wonder how many times in the video I said hot dog. What hook?
There's a hole on the side of the door.
Oh, I see.
Just put the hook in it.
One. Hang on. See it very well. There. Make sure this side.
Okay, I got this side.
I got this side. Alright, so.
Now we just got to put the screws in. Which ones were they?
Oh man. Alright. Fuck. I can't remember.
What ones went in the top?
I don't know. Let me just.
Oh, it was these. Those are these shitty ones.
Alright. Alright. Top right here. Okay.
Put it back in.
these screws went to the hinges.
Comes back down.
Oh, the lint filter's thing, yeah, I gotta put that back in.
Well, we gotta get this, let's just get the screws in first.
Oh.
Alright, so I think we lost the screw, but it was only for the lint holder, so not a big deal.
You're not going to worry about it.
I'll just plug it in and see if it works.
Okay.
Hey, there's a screw. Oh, we can put it in the last screw after all. Perfect. Damn.
You save a little money, yeah. Alright, so overall, I would totally pay someone to do this. Because this is a serious pain in the ass. But if you need to save some money, and you want to do it yourself, go for it. I wouldn't.